Today, I'm here to tell you that you can become fluent in Spanish. It is possible. You can acquire Spanish in a simple and natural way with our Spanish Connect program. Many people think they cannot pick up another language because it's too hard and takes too much time and effort to learn. This is probably because you were taught the traditional way, with a never-ending list of grammar rules, hundreds of verbs to memorize, and boring textbooks which are not really useful in real-life situations. And let me tell you, you are not alone. As you may have noticed, English is not my first language. As a Spanish native speaker, I struggle in the classroom when learning English the traditional way, and only acquire the language once I immerse myself in an English-speaking culture. I soon realized the most effective way to learn a new language was in the real world. Fast forward a few years, I have spent years teaching Spanish to school-age children using different methodologies. But it has been with storytelling and cultural immersion where I've got the best results. This is where the magic of language acquisition really happens. According to research, we acquire a language when we can understand messages in that language. The process is effortless and happens involuntarily and subconsciously. Through the Spanish Connect program, our students get exposed to real-life situations in the language, and their enjoyment and engagement is a joy to see. They subconsciously start to acquire and use the most frequent words, remember basic structures from the very beginning, and most importantly, they look forward to their next Spanish class. When my students understand what they hear and read in the stories, they are acquiring language naturally, and learning is no longer a chore. We have seen this over and over again, and the results are amazing. As part of my program, I have crafted compelling stories for you to listen and enjoy. We encourage you to relax and understand the essence of the story. You only need to concentrate on what is happening in the story instead of paying attention to the language itself. As you keep listening and reading stories, you will understand more and more Spanish every day. It will be a joyful process where your brain will do the work for you, and you will realize Spanish expressions and structures will stick to your brain before you know it. And when you are ready and confident to speak, you will speak spontaneously and naturally. So, I invite you to join our growing community of Spanish learners by subscribing to our YouTube channel and visiting our website at myspanishconnect.com to start your Spanish journey and to become fluent in this beautiful language, the simple and natural way.